Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, hey, abawandin Ndlovu baphila ma soft life. Abawandin Ndlovu. Who would have thought, Mara? Who would have thought, just when sisamangele nje nge-BBL usishaya yenye futhi ibomb. We are still looking at the board, enjoying the board, but no. Hey, so guys, for those who don't know, uWandile Ndlovu is currently at the recovery home. Guys, she revealed it herself. She is currently at the recovery home from the surgery. I think these things nazo nje ziba addictive at some point. Like, look at Kanyimbawu, guys. Look at Kanyimbawu. You do one surgery and then the rest follows, Or maybe uWandile Ndlovu vele thought, there's something eshotayo lana. Let me just go and fix it, because she has money, so why not? So this is what she posted on Facebook. She said, after my second surgery, I want to travel the world. Oh my goodness. Hi, Sana, people are living the life. Okay, Zini, they are living the life. And Gesana, she revealed Uguti, she is currently at the recovery home. She has already done the surgery. We are all waiting to see the outcome because we do not know what she did, or maybe she did something to her face, the body, the arms, because guningi sana guningi, but we are just watching to see the final results. Uguti, this time around, Gesana ulungise ini ugya. And then, as always, people in the comment section are always voicing their opinions. Someone said, yeah, and make sure to sign up for a very good insurance and life cover. And then Gesana uWandile Ndlovu commented and said that she is sending 70k every month at home. So, like, her mom doesn't need a life cover and a insurance cover because she can afford to take the dead body home. And then someone said, after this, after my second surgery. And then confirmed that she is currently at the recovery home, as she replied to Lapiana Gulea comment. And then someone said, just visit home, and she said, never. So I don't know, guys, and I don't know. Maybe there's a problem at home, ne? Hey guys, please leave a comment in the comment section down below.